Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to restart Print Spooler in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start. In start, type services. Click on the services. In services, we find many options. Here find Print Spooler. Here find Print Spooler. Here is our Print Spooler. In Print Spooler, here we find it is disabled or it is not automatic. Then go to the Print Spooler. Right click on the Print Spooler. Click on the properties. Here we find many options. And here we find startup type is disabled and service status is stopped. This is our problem. First go to the here startup type. Go to the here and make sure it is automatic. Make sure it is automatic and service status is running. Then click on apply. Now our start button is visible or clickable. Click on that start button. Wait for a few seconds. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now here we find Print Spooler and it is running and automatic. It is running and automatic is IMP. Then go to the here the service. Here we find restart. Click on restart. Wait for a few seconds. It's restart now. And it's restart now. After that, go to your start and restart your machine and your problem is solved. Your Print Spooler is now restart in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.